Welcome, chemistry fans. Are you ready to put your knowledge to the test? We've put together a quiz covering the fundamental concepts of chemistry, from the basic definitions of matter and its properties to measurements, units, and classifications. Whether you're a student brushing up for an exam or just a curious mind looking to learn something new, this is the perfect challenge for you. Grab a pen and paper, or just follow along in your head, and let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the study of the composition, properties, and interactions of matter called? A. Biology. B. Physics. C. Chemistry. D. Geology. The correct answer is C. Chemistry. Question 2. Which concept describes a statement that summarizes past observations and predicts future ones, such as the relationship between gas pressure and temperature? A. Hypothesis. B. Theory. C. Scientific law. D. Experiment. The correct answer is C. Scientific law. Question 3. Which domain of chemistry involves the study of characteristics of matter large enough to be directly sensed by human sight or touch, such as the mass of a lead pipe? A. Microscopic domain. B. Symbolic domain. C. Chemical domain. D. Macroscopic domain. The correct answer is D. Macroscopic domain. Question 4. Descriptions of chemical behavior based on the fundamental properties of atoms and molecules fall into which domain of chemistry? A. Symbolic domain. B. Macroscopic domain. C. Microscopic domain. D. Theoretical domain. The correct answer is C. Microscopic domain. Question 5. Chemical formulas like H2O and element symbols like Al for aluminium belong to which domain of chemistry? A. Macroscopic domain. B. Symbolic domain. C. Microscopic domain. D. Practical domain. The correct answer is B. Symbolic domain. Question 6. To indicate the amount of matter an object contains, scientists primarily use its mass rather than its weight, because weight measures what? A. Density. B. Volume. C. Temperature. D. Force that gravity exerts on an object. The correct answer is D. Force that gravity exerts on an object. Question 7. In which state of matter are the particles close together but move randomly and assume the shape of their container? A. Solid. B. Gas. C. Plasma. D. Liquid. The correct answer is D. Liquid. Question 8. A commercial sports drink, which has a uniform composition throughout, is an example of what type of mixture? A. Pure substance. B. Heterogeneous mixture. C. Compound. D. Homogeneous mixture. The correct answer is D. Homogeneous mixture. Question 9. Oil and vinegar salad dressing is classified as which type of mixture because its composition is not uniform throughout? A. Homogeneous mixture. B. Element. C. Heterogeneous mixture. D. Compound. The correct answer is C, heterogeneous mixture. Question 10. A pure substance that can be decomposed into two or more elements by a chemical change is classified as what? A. Molecule. B. Mixture. C. Element. D. Compound. The correct answer is D. Compound. Question 11. Which substance, consisting of only a single type of atom, is listed as an example of an element in the classification exercises? A. Water. B. Sucrose. C. Air. D. Copper. The correct answer is D. Copper. Question 12. A characteristic of matter that is not associated with a change in its chemical composition is defined as what? A. Chemical change. B. Physical property. C. Chemical property. D. Extensive property. The correct answer is B. Physical property. Question 13. A behavior that is related to the change of one kind of matter into another kind of matter is called a what? A. Physical property. B. Chemical property. C. Intensive property. D. Physical change. The correct answer is B. Chemical property. Question 14. Which process is an example of a physical change? A. Burning of gasoline. B. Souring of milk. C. Melting of gold. D. Explosion of a firecracker. The correct answer is C. Melting of gold. Question 15. Which process is an example of a chemical change? A. Condensation of steam. B. Dissolving sugar in coffee. C. Mixing chocolate syrup with milk. D. Coal burning. The correct answer is D. Coal burning. Question 16. Density, which is independent of the amount of substance present, is classified as what type of property? A. Physical change. B. Extensive property. C. Chemical property. D. Intensive property. The correct answer is D. Intensive property. Question 17. Which type of property depends on the amount of the substance? A. Density. B. Boiling point. C. Extensive property. D. Temperature. The correct answer is C. Extensive property. Question 18. Every measurement provides the size or magnitude, a unit, and what third kind of information? A. Accuracy. B. Precision. C. Uncertainty. D. Temperature. The correct answer is C. Uncertainty. Question 19. Without units, a number can be meaningless or confusing, highlighting the role of units as a standard of what for measurements? A. Calculation. B. Comparison. C. Conversion. D. Uncertainty. The correct answer is B. Comparison. Question 20. What is the Standard International System, or SI, base unit for mass? A. Gram. B. Liter. C. Kilogram. D. Pound. The correct answer is C. Kilogram. Question 21. What is the Standard International System, or SI, base unit for temperature? A. Degrees Celsius. B. Fahrenheit. C. Kelvin. D. Meter. The correct answer is C. Kelvin. Question 22. The amount of space occupied by an object is defined as its what? A. Mass. B. Density. C. Weight. D. Volume. The correct answer is D. Volume. Question 23. What is the name of the prefix used with SI units to indicate multiplication by 1,000? A. Centi. B. Milli. C. Mega. D. Kilo. The correct answer is D. Kilo. Question 24. A measurement is considered what if it yields a result that is very close to the true or accepted value? A. Precise. B. Reproducible. C. Accurate. D. Uncertain. The correct answer is C. Accurate. Question 25. Measurements are said to be what if they yield very similar results when repeated in the same manner? A. Accurate. B. Precise. C. True. D. Exact. The correct answer is B. Precise. Question 26. Which of the following must be measured with some degree of uncertainty, rather than being determined exactly? A. The number of eggs in a basket. B. The number of centimeters in 2 meters. C. The mass of a textbook. D. The number of seconds in an hour. The correct answer is C. The mass of textbook. Question 27. The versatile mathematical approach often used for unit conversions and complex problems, which ensures units appropriately cancel, is known as the dimensional analysis method, or the what? A. Scientific method. B. Hypothetical treatment. C. Factor label method. D. Quadratic method. The correct answer is C. Factor label method. Question 28. Density is defined as the ratio of mass to what? A. Weight. B. Volume. C. Temperature. D. Length. The correct answer is B. Volume. Question 29. A ratio of equivalent quantities expressed with different units, used to convert from one unit to another, is defined as a what? A. Density. B. Unit standard. C. Conversion factor. D. Scientific notation. The correct answer is C. Conversion factor. Question 30. If you are calculating density and the volume is given in quarts, you must first convert the volume to which SI derived unit if you want the resulting density in grams per milliliter? A. Kilograms. B. Liters. C. Milliliters. D. Fluid ounces. The correct answer is C, milliliters. And that's a wrap. How did you do on the quiz? Let us know your score in the comments below. We hope this was a fun and helpful review of some key chemistry principles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for playing along, and we'll see you in the next video.